Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the second position here we have location tag option, so by using this button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on like that as we need, and this option allows us to tag photos and videos with location information. Also here the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to also turn on the location of this device, so remember about the internet and the location to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see the photo, let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery. This is our picture. To check its location, we have to tap to the right corner button here. And now we get access to the details with the location and the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.